Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, girls. I'm your English teacher, Samna, and coming to the explanation of this poem, Night Mail. This is the night mail crossing the border, bringing the check and the postal order. So, night mail, it's the name of a train, right? So, this is the night train that is moving across the borders, bringing checks and postal orders, letters for all people in the area. The shop at the corner, the next girl next door. Pulling up means crossing and moving across the village better. It is located in Scotland. Steady climb, slow movement. The gradient against her. These are the ups and downs. But she's always on time. Okay? So in second stanza, past cotton grass in Moulin Bowder. Right? Showering white steam over her shoulders, snorting noisily as he passes. Silent miles of wind-bent grasses. So past cotton grasses, moorland boulder. Okay, so it's passing through cotton fields, passing through moorland boulders, leaving its white steam, and breathing violently as she moves and crossing several miles and passing through wind-bent grasses. In stanza 3, just the birds turn their heads as she approaches. They are just very much curious as they heard the noise, and steers looked fixedly from the bushes at blank-faced coaches. Sheepdogs cannot turn her course. So the dogs at the home, they are not changing their passage paths. They are on deep sleep, right? Slumber on with past means they are in deep sleep. In the farm she passes, no one wakes, but a jug in the bedroom slightly moves. Down freshes, the climb is done. Down is the Glasgow, she sends. So name of city she's passing through. So no one wakes, only a jug in the bedroom moves. Okay, thank you so much. Unit 3, Night Mail. This poem has been written by W.H. Auden, right? And first of all, I am going to explain the title significance of the poem. The word night mail was the name used for the night train by poet W.H. Auden. Night mail by W.H. Auden is a powerful depiction and analysis the impact of night train carrying the mail through the Scottish countryside. So coming to the summary, this poem Night Mail has been penned down by the poet W.H. Auden. The poet describes the journey of night mail train which travels at night and brings letters, checks and postal orders for the people. It does not differentiate between the rich and the poor. It serves them all. It's very punctual, regular in its duties, it's never late, way is full of ups and downs, but it does not get tired and continue its journey smoothly. It passes through cotton fields and hilly areas. It also passes by populated areas. The sheepdogs do not bark at it because they know that they cannot change its course means passage. They continue to slumber. A jug is shaken in the bedroom by the vibration of night mail when it moves along the houses, right? So that's all about your summary.